Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of goddess Dewi Danu, renowned as the East Asian goddess of compassion, mercy, and enlightenment. Part 1. Significance of goddess Dewi Danu. What does Dewi Danu represent in mythology? With her gentle and nurturing presence, Dewi Danu offers solace to those in need, granting them emotional healing and spiritual guidance. She represents the belief in the boundless power of compassion to alleviate suffering and foster harmony in the world. As the compassionate mother goddess, she teaches us the transformative nature of empathy, urging us to cultivate kindness, forgiveness, and understanding towards all beings. Her radiant energy emanates unconditional love, inspiring devotees to embody compassion and strive for the greater good, fostering a more compassionate and harmonious world. Part 2, Archetypal Qualities of Dewi Danu, Embracing the Archetypal Compassion, Goddess Dewi Danu, the Divine Nurturer and Healer. Goddess Dewi Danu embodies archetypal traits that resonate deeply with seekers of compassion, mercy, and divine love. She represents the archetype of the compassionate mother, radiating nurturing and healing energy to all beings. Her gentle presence evokes empathy, forgiveness, and understanding, inspiring the archetype of the empathetic healer and peacemaker. Dewi Danu's essence encompasses qualities such as kindness, serenity, and wisdom, symbolizing the archetype of the wise and compassionate guide. As the embodiment of divine love, she exemplifies the archetype of the selfless nurturer, offering solace and support to those in need. The archetypal traits of Dewi Danu inspire individuals to embrace empathy, cultivate compassion, and walk the path of love, promoting unity, harmony, and the well-being of all beings. Part 3. Symbols associated with goddess Dewi Danu. Luminous radiance, the symbolic colors and spiritual essence of goddess Dewi Danu. Goddess Dewi Danu, in her ethereal grace, becomes a living symphony of symbols, plants, animals, and colors that weave a tapestry of profound significance in East Asia mythology. The lotus flower emerges as a radiant emblem of purity and spiritual awakening, while the willow branch embodies the virtues of flexibility and grace. Dewi Danu's hands cradle a vase holding the essence of healing and cleansing within its waters. Amidst this, the sacred white jasmine and fragrant orchid exude beauty, purity, and the divine grace of the goddess herself. The peacock, with its resplendent plumage, dances in harmony, symbolizing beauty, grace, and the transcendence of worldly attachments. Beside it, the gentle and serene deer stands as a testament to Dewi Danu's compassionate presence. Bathed in the luminosity of white and light pastel hues, the goddess embodies purity, peace, and the radiance of divine illumination. Part 4. The Story of Goddess Dewi Danu. Beyond time and place, Dewi Danu's enduring message of compassion. In a time long ago, when compassion was needed most, there existed a goddess named Dewi Danu. Her radiance shone brighter than the sun, her grace a soothing balm for weary souls. Dewi Danu's heart overflowed with boundless love and compassion for all living beings. Once, in a humble village nestled amidst lush green valleys, a young girl named May was burdened by sorrow. The village suffered from a severe drought, and the land cried out for mercy. Crops withered, and hope waned in the hearts of the villagers. With desperation in her eyes, May sought solace at the sacred temple dedicated to Dewi Danu. She knelt before the statue of the goddess, tears streaming down her cheeks. "Goddess of compassion," she pleaded, "we are in dire need. Please bless our land with your healing touch." Moved by May's genuine plea, Dewi Danu awakened from her ethereal slumber. With a gentle smile, she descended from her celestial abode, donning robes as delicate as moonlight. The goddess's presence bathed the temple in a warm, comforting glow. Dewi Danu approached May, her voice soothing as a gentle breeze. "Fear not, dear child. The seeds of compassion have taken root within your heart. Together we shall restore life and hope to this village." As May watched in awe, the goddess raised her hand, and a gentle rain began to fall. With each drop, the parched earth greedily drank the life-giving water. The fields that once lay barren and defeated now stirred with newfound vitality. The village rejoiced, their hearts filled with gratitude for the benevolent intervention of Dewi Danu. May, inspired by the goddess's compassion, dedicated herself to nurturing the land and caring for those in need. Her actions rippled through the village, igniting a spirit of compassion and unity among its inhabitants. In the years that followed, the village thrived, not only in material abundance, but in the richness of community bonds. May became a guiding light, embodying the compassionate energy of Dewi Danu, offering support, comfort, and healing to all who sought her. Word of May's compassionate deeds reached the ears of the goddess, who was filled with pride and joy. She blessed May, granting her the ability to hear the unspoken sorrows of others, a gift to aid her in her compassionate mission. To this day, Dewi Danu's presence remains, an eternal reminder that compassion has the power to transform lives and heal the world. May's story, passed down through generations, serves as an enduring testament to the boundless compassion and divine grace of the goddess. And so, the compassionate spirit of Dewi Danu lives on, guiding those who seek solace and inspiring all to embrace the transformative power of love and compassion in their own lives. Part 5. 3. Strategies for personal transformation. Tapping into the power of the Dewi Danu archetype. Strategy 1. Engage in loving-kindness meditation. Incorporate loving-kindness meditation into your routine. This practice involves directing well wishes and compassion towards yourself and others. Neuroscientific studies have shown that loving-kindness meditation enhances positive emotions and activates brain regions associated with empathy, compassion, and emotional regulation. Dedicate a few minutes each day to sit in meditation, extending thoughts of loving-kindness to yourself, loved ones, acquaintances, and even challenging individuals. Strategy 2. Cultivate gratitude. Research shows that cultivating gratitude rewires neural pathways associated with positive emotions, resilience, and well-being. Start a gratitude journal, regularly reflecting on moments of gratitude and appreciation. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for, embracing a mindset of abundance and appreciation. Engage in acts of gratitude by expressing thanks to others and noticing the small joys in your life. Strategy 3. Embrace meditation and mindfulness. Drawing from East Asian traditions that emphasize inner peace and spiritual connection, incorporate meditation and mindfulness practices into your routine. Set aside dedicated time each day to sit in stillness, observing your breath and cultivating present moment awareness. Allow yourself to connect with the compassionate energy of Dewi Danu, visualizing her loving presence enveloping you. Through this practice in Khatos, you can cultivate inner peace, reduce stress, and develop a deeper sense of compassion for yourself and others. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that, at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Begin by purifying the area with the incense or sage, allowing the smoke to cleanse the energy and create a sacred ambiance. 2. Place a white cloth on a flat surface, symbolizing purity and receptivity. 3. Light a candle or oil lamp, symbolizing the divine light of compassion. As you light it, recite a heartfelt invocation, inviting the presence of Goddess Dewi Danu into the sacred space. Offer words of reverence and gratitude, acknowledging her compassionate nature and her willingness to guide and bless you on your journey. 4. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to center and connect with the presence of Goddess Dewi Danu. Visualize her compassionate energy surrounding you, enveloping you in a warm, loving embrace. In this state of connection, reflect upon areas in your life where compassion is needed, both for others and yourself. Consider the challenges you or others are facing and how compassion can bring healing and transformation. 5. Take a few moments of silence, sitting in the presence of Goddess Dewi Danu. Allow her compassionate energy to permeate your being, filling you with a deep sense of peace, love, and empathy. 6. Before concluding the ritual, express your gratitude to Goddess Dewi Danu for her presence, blessings, and the compassion she embodies. Offer thanks for the insights and guidance received during the ritual. Extinguish the candle or oil lamp, symbolizing the end of the ritual. 7. Reflect on the experiences and insights gained during the ritual. Consider ways to embody compassion in your thoughts, actions, and interactions with others. A final message, words of wisdom from Dewi Danu. Compassion is the bridge that connects us all, transcending boundaries and dissolving differences. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.